Right, okay, now then. So today we've got a bit of a top tip stroke experiment. So I've got the van and it's parked up in a remote location about 1 kilometre away from a water source tap. So I'm parked up here. Now I want to go and get 50 litres of water. Well, actually I'm going to attempt 60 litres of water, but 50 would be good. So I've got these bags on the handlebars here. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's 30 litres on the handlebars in these bags. That's I've done before, and I know that I can carry 30 litres of water. This time I've got this rack which is bolted onto the seat post there, and that's got another 4 bottles in it. So there's another. So that takes out to 50 litres. And I got my rucksack here, which I'm going to wear on my back, which has got another 2 bottles in it. So that's 60 litres. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to go and collect 60 litres of water and bring it back here on me electric bike. Let's see how we get on. Okay, let's get going. See you later. Okay, so now then, I filled up with water. All the bottles that I had added up together came to exactly 70 litres with the 2 5 litres that is on my back as well. Just something I didn't show you before is the idea of having these bags on the front handlebars. You want to have one close into the middle and then one on the end of your handlebar grip, and you want to make the handle shorter as well. I mean, I've done it like that by putting some loops in it, made them quite a bit shorter so they're not swinging about so much, and also a clip on the front of there and a clip just holding that on the back of there. When it's full up with water, it doesn't move about too much, but when you're just riding along with empty bottles, the wind can catch them and blow them back round. And I could take them clips off now and it'd be fine, but just leave them on. They might pop off anyway. But when the bottles are empty, it definitely helps. You get a bit of wind, it just starts blowing the bags in the way of your legs. But as it is now, we're loaded and ready to go. So let's see how we get on. I just videoed the first little bit. Oh, there's definitely some weight. Oh, we're getting a little bit of noise on the front there. We might take that clip off on the front. Right. There's another measure there that I put for keeping that together. Right, that's shut up now. So, right, okay. Test round on the tarmac before we hit the road. Well, we're moving. Right, I'll update you when we get back. So, okay, now then, we're nearing home now. Just the other side of this van up on that hill up there. We've been about, I don't know, a couple of kilometres there. It was fine on the tarmac, way up, one-handed, fine on the tarmac. Yeah, it's alright on this sort of going, but I'm going to need both hands now to get up this hill. Remember where you saw it? So, okay, we're back now, back along the track, back to the van. We've got my funnel in place. All I've got to do now is pour this lot in. So that's 70 litres there. yeah, that's a fair bit of water in one run. Don't know. I reckon if I had a better rack on the back, I could get even more. Plenty of air. Made sure I had plenty of air in my tyres. But yeah, it worked. Kind of mission success. Remember where you saw it last. Over and out.